Hey, what's up, guys? Donnie and Hogs here. We're down at the river today, guys. Salmon River, down here, an old spot I used to come down to when I was younger. It's the Lake Trail Park. We're going down and hit some of these rock piles, these rock riffles down here, and see if we can pull some catfish out of them or whatever wants to bite, guys. It's been a grind here lately, but it's been a shitty day. It's been raining. We just got our power back on from like a 3-day outage, or yeah, it was a 3-day outage, guys. So I didn't have power for 3 days. It's been hell on wheels, but we're down here. We're gonna do it this afternoon. We just got power on yesterday afternoon, so I'm back to normal again. Just gonna see if we can get some fish, guys. I got night crawlers that I went out and caught last night. I'm gonna show you guys some footage on that. I don't know if you guys have ever went out and caught your own night crawlers, but took the GoPro out last night, made a kid. We got some of that footage. I'll put it on the video today, but I got night crawlers. I got a big old sucker I'm gonna use for cut bait, and we got chicken livers, guys. So let's go see what we can get. Let's do this. All right, guys, I'm back. Getting bites. I moved downstream. Something happened with my GoPro. I don't know what happened with it, but something's messing up with it. And I'm getting bites on the cut bait before I can even get the rest of my rods out. This might have been a good move here. Might have been a good move. Come on, buddy. Come on. Take it out of my hands. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Playing with it. There, he's back. All right, come on, buddy. Take off with it. Come on. Come on. There, he dropped it again. Now he's going. Come on. Fucker, quit dropping it. It's gotta be a gar. Probably a gar, guys, if I had to guess. But I'll take one of those over anything. There's something big right there. I think it's the rod in. Before it starts pouring on me. A little bit of slack there, not too much, just a little bit, just enough to hang himself. Improve this shit. Okay, that's my damn wormy. There's my wormy. Son of a bitch. What the hell that was come up right there? There's something fixing to get his rear lip stripped off right here. Ah, he dropped it. Come on. Suck butt. How is this? Got him wherever he is. Oh yeah, little drum perch, guys. Little drum perch. Little drum bud. First fish of the day, finally. Got the skunk out, guys. Got the skunk out. He's croaking at me too. He don't like it. Alright, buddy, you gotta go. Got something else hitting this other bait. Yep, we'll cut bait again. Guys, it's getting hectic real quick. This is fun. This is gonna turn into a fun trip, I think. Get into a bunch of fish here. Get this back out. There's a fat dog there. Got a feeling I'm gonna be getting wet, maybe. Might be getting wet. I have to haul ass up on these banks. Got the rain for a minute. But we'll do what we gotta do, guys. Do what we gotta do for the tube. Doing it for the tube. You guys. That's who I do it for. That nice love fishing. That helps too. The fact that I love to fish. Always have. Just kind of got out of it for a while, guys, and now I'm back into it. Harder than I ever was before, I think. Pretty much. Sorry, trying to crack some lips. Yeah, trying to catch some cat daddies. Never cooperate. There's something on that night crawler already, guys. This is redonkulous. Oh man. I'm even supposed to throw another pole out. There's something you're gonna take off with it. Most certainly is. Let me put this out there. I'll put it a little bit. Just see what happens. guy down through there for a little bit. See what he does. See if he gets any action. Here we go, guys. Here we go. The old night crawler. Here we go. Thanks, we can take off with her. Hey, wormy. Wormies might be on fire today. I don't know. Might be only not catching anything on them. So I've been catching fish on here lately. The old night crawlers. There we go. Come on, fishy. Missed him, didn't I? Yep, I missed him, guys. Biffed that one. I totally biffed that one. Put our night crawler on there. Let that bobber float out of the way. Whip it back out there again. And get some more cut bait out on these other rods here. In the meanwhile, set her up on the worms. Wormies and split shot. Can't go wrong, guys. Go wormy and a split shot. I'll get this line out of the way here. I know it's snagged up on something down there, a rock or something. Sucker, come here. Let him lay out there. Whip this guy back out here as far as I can. Oh yeah. Tell you what, they're like night crawlers. They're liking the night crawlers, definitely. Definitely digging the crawlers. Look at that. There's already a bite on that damn thing. Already. Just threw it out there, guys. Look at this. Oh my god. Wow. Right. I'll get a piece of cut bait on this other rod real quick. I know he stole it. I definitely know he stole it. Yeah, he got the bait off this one. Damn it. Whoa. Wow, I hooked myself. Rocks are slippery with boots on, guys. Rocks are slippery. Alright. Yeah, there we go. This fish getting ready to take off with that wormy. Sure is. Come on. Get you some if you want some. Might put a night crawler on that bobber. Whip it out there. Come on. Come on, sucker. Here we go. Start to put a little bend in her. Wherever he is. Swimming downstream with it now. I think. Yep, here it goes. Whatever it is, taking off with it now finally. And this one here is taking off with it too. Come on, fishy. Do me right. Do me right. Do me right. Come on. Quit playing with it. Take off with it. Yeah, bite's definitely slowed down on this spot. Alright, rip this fish's face off. Got something messing with that big piece cut bait now, I think. Couldn't tell. Nope, it's that small pole. There's gonna worm me again too. Bites on too many poles at once. It's hard to watch them all. This dude here, I don't know what his issue is, but I'm about to rip his face off. See what the hell it is. Just taking off with it like that. Yeah, whatever it is, I got it. I got it, guys. I got it. Whatever it is. I don't know what it is. It's spinning around like a turtle. Yeah, big old turtle. Yeah. What we got there? Snapper? Oh, yeah, my specialty, guys. You guys ain't got to see me tangle with a snapper. I know snapper. It's a box turtle. Damn it. Alright, come here, Mr. Boxy. Oh, he ate the bait, too, guys. Got the hook in his mouth. That's gonna be great. You guys want to see a trick I learned with turtles a long time ago? Yeah, I'll show you a little something about turtles, guys. Show you a little something about turtles, how you can get the hook out of their mouth and not even jeopardize yourself at all. Just flip them over on the back like so. And just wait. Wait for him to stick his neck out. Try flipping himself back over. Come on, dude. You know what's about to come, don't you? Gonna choke him out, guys. Choke him out. Come on. Stick your head out. Come on, dude. Stick your damn head out here. Alright, let me get my pliers. Get him out of that. He ain't wanting to stick his head out. If it's snapper, he would. Or soft shell. These guys are more timid. They're not nearly as aggressive. Come here, dude. Alright, come here. Let me get you unhooked here. Quit biting my damn pliers and I'll get you unhooked. You don't want to have to eat my damn bait. I didn't ask you to. Oh my god. Jesus Christ, dude. What the hell you got going on here? That's the end of my hook at. Get back in here a little better. He's biting the shit out of my pliers, guys. Come on now. Quit biting them. I'll get the hook at you a little faster that way. God damn it. Right in his jaw. There you go. Alright, butthole. Wow. Alright, guys. First turtle of the year. That's a blessing. A blessing. Ow, quit. Let you go up here. Butthead. Oh, man. Just taking off my wormy. Oh, yeah. Alright, see what's going on here. A good bite. Whatever it was. That was on my liver. Stupid old turtle. Bet you don't eat no liver for a little bit now, do you? Come on, fishy. You fool. Better to move, guys. Better to move. Slowing down. Right, slowing down. A couple of bumps on my cut bait, but nothing. I got something taking off my worm too at the same time. Damn it. That's not cool. Come here, fishy. What are you? What are you? What are you? What we got here, guys? What is that? Cat? Can't tell. Get up here. Oh, yeah, kitty cat, guys. First catfish of the day. That's a nice one, too. Nice little fatty. Nice little fatty. Here. Put you back here. Let's catch this guy too while we're at it, huh? How's that sound? Doubled up, guys. Doubled up. Yep, doubled up. Oh, yeah. We got here a little channel cat. Yeah. Doubled up on the kitty cats. All right, let's get this little guy off here. Oh, man, he swallowed that damn hook, too, you little sucker. Why would you do that? Yep, why would you do that? Why would you swallow it? Little fool. Damn it. There we go. Get the hook out of this little dude. I'll let you keep the worm since you are. That's a little bitty guy, guys. Look at him. Little kitty. Just tiny little guy. Oh. What you doing there, bud? Here. Let me help you out. Take you out a little deeper there. Now let's get the big dog. This dude about took off with my pole too. He wanted him some sucker, didn't he? That was a good spot through that damn rod. Yeah, guys, there's not a bad little kitty cat for the old river. Yeah. Nice little salmon river. Channy cats. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go out here, let him go in this little deeper water so he can get his way back to where he came from. Alright, guy, take it easy, buddy. Thanks for biting. This is right on time. Got me a double. Got me a double. Yeah. Alright, guys. Let's get some bait back on and get back out there again. I know where them catfish are at now. We're stuck in that spot. Alright, let me get another piece of cut bait on this guy. Get him back out there. That was fun, guys. That was fun. I just hope we brought enough bait. That's my big issue. And he smashed that damn sucker. He wasn't playing around with it. He was not playing around with it. I'm just slicing this pretty thin though, so big head piece I wanted to save for a good, real flatheady looking spot, but I ain't ran into that yet. I'm just cutting little thin strips of this sucker right now, and seems to be doing the trick. Seems to be doing the trick. Alright, there we go. Another piece. I got a bunch of these home too. I should have brought more, but you never know what you're going to get down here at the river, guys. One day they might be tearing it up. Next day they might be not doing nothing. That's the old river for you, though. Alright, let's get this baby hooked up. Kind of mushy. This sucker gets kind of mushy after it thaws out a little bit, guys. It's a little mushy. Yep. I'll slip it back up underneath that. Right on that bank there. I got something biting this chicken liver now. Probably that turtle. Perfect. Almost where I had it before. Just about. Same spot, guys. Same spot. Where's that big rod ain't got hit? I had something tap it earlier, but he didn't do nothing with it after that. Alright. Little night crawler back out there, and I'll restart the clip again. Check that liver. I think it's a turtle. Drug it up here to the bank after munching on it. I see him come up a couple times. Looking at me like I'm stupid. Getting hot too. I shouldn't have worn this long sleeve. I didn't know if the mosquitoes were going to be bad or not. got them hybrid Bill Gates mosquitoes, you know, guys. You got to watch out for them. There's something hit that cut bait again, guys. Cut bait again already. Yep, he's picked it up. Give me some slack. Give me enough time to cast this pole. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Oh, split shot's hard to cast, guys. Hard to cast a little split shot. Alright, he's fixed to take off with that cut bait. I better get over there and watch that. Looks like I'm wormy here. There we go. Alright, I'll be back, guys. I didn't start my camera. I threw it right into a fish's mouth. He annihilated that chicken liver, guys. The minute it hit the water, I'm not joking. Oh, there's one on my cut bait too, guys. One on my cut bait too. I got into a hole in here. Yes, indeedy. I no sooner casted that yet. There's one here to take off that cut bait too. Yeah, this might be a good spot, guys. This might be a good spot. It's deep down here. There's something hitting another cut bait. I got bites on all three poles now. Those two that are left in the water. Alright, guys. There's another channel cat. Can't see if you guys can see him good or not, but yeah. Well, I am recording, yep. Alright, guys. That's number 3 on the channel cats. Got 3 channel cats, a drum perch, and a turtle. Alright, buddy. Off you go. Let's do that again. I'm going to leave the camera on now, guys. I'm at a new spot, so... yeah, I no sooner cast that out and it hit the water and I didn't even get to set it down and he was running with it. That was insane, guys. Insane. I've had action like this before, but it's been a long time. Hopefully I just got into a spot of them here. Little school. Big old channies. Wouldn't hurt my feelings none. Oh man, he's got that rod bent. Oh yeah, got another one, guys. Cut bait. Oh, that's a nice one, whatever it is. It's a nice one, whatever it is, guys. Yes, indeedy. Hell yeah, it's gonna be a good fishing day today. I don't know what this guy is, but he's nice. There's something taking off the other one. Damn it. Oh, guys, this is crazy. Freaking insane today. I got bites. Yeah, what do we got here? Another big old cat. Oh yeah, another channel, dude. That's another fatty, guys. A big old fatty. Yeah. That's what it's about right there. That big old guy. Let me get this other one here, guys. Oh man, I ain't got a pole in the water now. Wow. This is crazy. Fast action, guys. Fast action. That's why I like it. Come on, fishy. Take off with it if you're going to. Let me get a triple here real quick. Oh man, this is nuts. Freaking nuts. Alright. Yeah, he's just tapping on her. You gonna take off with her or what, buddy? He can sit there and love tap it. These other guys didn't love tap it. That's probably gar. I guess. Maybe. Or just a real small channel. Come on. Here he goes. Here he goes. Here he goes. Come on. Don't play with me. It's your little brother. Time to hurry up. I ain't got all day. You guys are dirty. You guys are dirty. Ooh, ooh, there he goes. Trying to take off with it. Yeah, get that big spear off you guys. Come on. Get clean. There we go. That's a little better. Get more better. Alright. Wait for this fish to take off with it, guys. He keeps acting like he's going to, but he don't. I'm gonna set this rod back down. I'm gonna deal with this one over here real quick. Let him go. If I have time. That's another nice one, guys. I can barely get my hand around him. Fatty. Catfish are finally starting to bite up in the river. About damn time too. I've been waiting all year. Suckers start hitting. Alright, there's another one, guys. He's a nice one. That's by far the biggest so far today. Yeah, that's number 4. 4 or 5 channies. I lost track already. Yeah, that's a nice one there, guys. It's getting to be fine. All right, let's let him go. Oh, he's crazy too. Psycho. Psycho kitty cat. Oh, 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 oh. There's mother rod. Maybe. There we go. Something's hitting that damn headpiece again. Let's do it right back out into his freaking mouth again. Yep, there he goes. He's going taking off with her again, guys. See if I can get him this time. Bring down on his ass. Oh, get him. Hell no, missed him again. What the hell is that? Just got to let him run with it. That's all there's to it. Wherever he is, he's freaking demolishing that headpiece. Ain't much of it left. He's down there munching the shit out of it. And caked it inside out. There we go. Leave it like that. So. Alright. Go. I don't know what that is. Big fish, whatever it is. Can't get hooked in. Yeah. Alright, let's get this one out there. Yakka, yakety yak. Alright, guys. Now we finally get some rods back out. Finally get some rods back out. Alright, there we go. And that. Chicken livers. That was insane. Freaking punch. Right there, boys and girls. 1, 2, 3. There's something hitting that cut bait already. I just threw it out. There's something hitting that big piece too up there. Got her bent. Got her bent, guys. Hope he's got it this time. Oh yeah, I got him this time. Whatever it is. Got his ass that time, guys. Yes, I did. Hey, yeah, finally. Finally hooked that big son of a bitch, whatever it is. Oh yeah, it's a nice one, whatever it is, guys. Whatever it is, it's nice. I'm recording right, yes, thank God. Yeah, you guys seeing this yet? It's a good day. Oh, it's a nice one. Big old cat. Yeah. Oh, come on, get out of that line. Get out of the line. No, 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 no. Get out of the line. Get out of the line. Oh, you idiots. You're all up in my other line. Damn it. I had a bite on the other pole too. Let me get him up here, guys. Get him landed. Get him untangled. I'm gonna take pictures of this guy. He's the biggest one yet. Man, he tagged that goddamn bait. Straight up attacked it. Stay there. Alright, let me get this other one untangled here. Nope. Go anywhere, guy. I want pictures of you. You're my big one for the day. This fish here's still biting. Still biting on that pole, guys. Still biting on it. I'm gonna pick that up again. I think I might have one on this one too. I think I might have one on this one. Is there one on it? Okay. Set it back down. It's chaos, guys. Utter chaos, I'm telling you. Yep, there's one biting that one too. Fix to rip his lips off too. Oh yeah. Yeah, here we go. Fixing to run with it. Photo. Biggest one of the day. Alright, he's gone, guys. I'm gonna get him out of here. Got a picture of him. He's making a mess of me, too. Sucker. I got that one getting ready to take off, too. I need some cut bait bad now. Definitely found a hole full of channel cats, guys. Definitely found the hole with the channel cats in it. Oh yeah, it's been exciting. It's just been back to back to back fish, guys. I ain't got my chicken liver back in the water yet. Oh, let me get it in real quick. Alright. I threw it out earlier and it was instant. Instant nail. Alright. Here we go. This sucker trying to bend my pole. He's trying to take off with it too. Sucker. Let me get the lines back out real quick, guys. Jeez, before he start attacking me again. There we go. Alright, guys. Last time this one didn't even hit the bottom and there was one on it. I'm not kidding. It's just been some insane action today. Battery died. I had to change batteries. Oh, here we go. Bites are still coming too. Yeah. Yeah, come on. He's playing with me. Damn fish. Here we go, guys. This one's getting ready to take off with it. So is that one. Yep, here we go. Come on, fish. He's still taking it. Oh, I missed him. God damn it. That's... No, I didn't either, guys. I got him. Nope, he's in a snag or something. Fuck. Having a snag. Damn it. Damn me. Can't believe how many bites I've had on that old jank old head piece. It's crazy. I'll wait for them. Still biting. Damn it. Oh, I swear. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Ah, not too bad.
Catching anything?
Oh yeah, I got onto a bunch of channel cat right here.
Good.
Yeah, they've been keeping me busy. I can barely keep poles in the water.
Yeah.
It's a good problem to have though.
Let's hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Go to the bank. You're fine. You're fine. Go to the bank. Go on. Good dog. Go to the bank. Go, Clint. Go. Yeah. Go. I'm tired. What do you mean? Well, her collar is extremely waterproof, so that's good. Come on, Clutchy. Come on, bud.
There's my fish, guys. There's cut bait. Itty bitty channel cat. Look at this little guy. Jeez. I don't know why I use him for bait. Too small. I almost put him in an aquarium if I had something to take him home in. Oh yeah, it's gotta be the world's smallest channel cat, guys. Look at that hog. Yeah, that's a big old hog there. Alright. People get out of my way. I'll go recast the big pull out. Restart the clip, guys. There's that one. There's something on here getting ready. Nailed. Oh, I missed him. That's gotta be Gar. I carried it all the way to the top. Yeah, he munched the shit out of that worm. Screwball. Damn it. Hopefully anyone moved in here. If it did, then we're in trouble, guys. We're in trouble. The Gar moved in. I need to leave my baits alone then. There's something tagging that river. Just threw it out. I mean, it's like bite after bite after bite, guys. Here, see? He's hitting that liver now. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Come on, guys. We need some cut bait. Give me a drum perch. Come on. Got him. Another little cat. I can't use him again. Ouch. Alright, guys. I'm catching these little channel cats. Little guys. Little dudes here. Yeah, he's croaking at me. He didn't like that hook in his mouth. Yeah, little channel cat. Another little guy. Alright, goodbye, guy. Goodbye, my guy. Alright, guys. I'm gonna fish for a little bit longer. I'm gonna get out of here, I think. Couple more casts. I'll come back another day. Yes, I think I will. Ready to get to fish the rest of this bank all the way down through here. There's a whole stretch of this. It looks really fishy. But there's a path right here. I can get up out of here and go straight to the truck, so probably have to walk up the road though ways. Get to the truck. I walked downstream quite a ways. But I ain't going back up that bank I came down, that's for sure. That bank is treacherous, guys. Treacherous, treacherous. Alright, one more cast with this wormy. And yeah, I think it's gonna be about time to go. Go, guys. Yep, about time to go. I just rebaited this wormy and something's already hitting it. They stole my liver too, so I'm throwing that out. Oh yeah. And these people got in the way now, so I can throw my big rod back out across the river with the old headpiece from hell. That thing's been surviving all day, guys. Just taking a beating. It's still hanging in there somehow, some way. Look at this. Is this the ugliest piece of bait you ever seen, guys, in your life? Look at that. It's just a shell. They keep hitting it. They keep hitting it, guys. It's totally disgusting. But they love it. I gotta check the other piece of cut bait too. I ain't had nothing on it in a while. Let me get this little piece. So get on this wormy real quick. What we got? What we got? Another itty bitty channel cat. Can't use him for bait. I don't like channel cat either. Channel cat very good. He's a little guy though, a little bitty dude. Little bitty dude. There's something hitting that cut bait now again. Little headpiece. Little nasty headpiece. Huh. Alright, little dude. Go and get big, grow up, be a big boy. Nah, guys, throwing a worm on here. It's a good spot. It'll keep me busy. Starting to slow down a little bit though, but it's alright. I'm going to have to go here in a little bit anyway. Just give chicken liver bites back. Yeah, it's kind of weird, guys. You don't see very often. A couple women floating down the river with 4 dogs in tow, and one in a kayak with a lady. They had 5 dogs, 4 of them swimming along with them. Utterly insane, but ain't me. Ain't my dogs. Poor things look like they're about to have a heart attack. Scared to death. Scared to death they were, guys. Oh, something stole the bait. You sucker. They did too. Now I got no cut bait. Right there already. You're wormy. Some tapping on that shit again too. Yep. Oh man, got off. Damn it. Definitely my cut bait right there, whatever that was. It was little enough. I was gonna chop him up. Oh man. So cruising with that big bait. Get back over here. Watch my shit. Still biting on it. Alright, come on, fishy. I'll be back, guys, when I get one. That way it ain't so hard to edit these videos. Or maybe get out of here. There's something. Oh, he goes. A little bigger than I thought he was, guys. Get out of line, get out of line. Yeah. Another quality cat. Yeah, fryer if you wanted to fry one up. Perfect eater. Perfect eater there, guys. Little half pounder. Ow. Yep. Alright, perfect little eater. Alright, guys. Oh, I think I'm gonna call today, guys. I think that's gonna be the last one. Ran out of cut bait. I'm getting low on worms. I have plenty of liver, but it's getting late. I go work in the morning, so I think I'm gonna wrap it up, guys, and call this video. If you guys like this content, hit that like and subscribe as always, guys, and we'll see you guys on the next one. And I'm out here, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Hope you guys like this content. I tried. We'll get on some big boys here eventually, but yeah, we're working on it, guys. It'll get better, believe me, it'll get better. But stay tuned. See you on the next one. Later, guys.